Hello friends, welcome to SHUQ channel. I am Syed Habibullah Qureshi. Today we are going to discuss on encryption in RAIL FAINCE Cipher. So before starting, I would like to tell you, if you want to get more informational and also educational videos, so kindly subscribe and like our channel. So at the first, let's know what RAIL FAINCE Cipher is. So RAIL FAINCE Cipher is a cipher in which the plaintext is written in a zigzag manner and reads off as a row manner, in which RAIL FAINCE Cipher, if someone asks that what is RAIL FAINCE Cipher, we should say that RAIL FAINCE Cipher is a cipher in which the plaintext or the main text is written in a zigzag manner and the read off as a row manner. So this is the main idea of the RAIL FAINCE Cipher. So now, for doing encryption in RAIL FAINCE Cipher, two things are very important. The first thing which is very important in encryption in RAIL FAINCE Cipher, that is plaintext or the main text. That is the text that we are going to do operation on that or do encryption on that. And the next thing which is very important in RAIL FAINCE in encryption of RAIL FAINCE Cipher, that is RAIL or the number of rows. So plaintext and RAIL are the main or the structure or the main things that are very important for doing encryption in RAIL FAINCE Cipher. So how to do encryption in RAIL FAINCE Cipher? We should have our plaintext, like for example we have our plaintext is HABIB Habib. This is our plaintext. And the size of our rail or the number of the rails are 2. So this is our plaintext and this is our rail or the size of our rows or the number of rows. For doing encryption, first of all we have to draw a diagram. I have already drawn a diagram. So for drawing a diagram in RAIL FAINCE Cipher, two things or two rules are very important. Two notes are very important. The first one, number of columns. These are columns 1 2 3 4 5. Number of columns should be equal to number of letters of plaintext. The letters of the plaintext, how many letters of the plaintext do we have? So the number of columns also should be like that. As we see, 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 letters or 5 characters of our plaintext, so the number of columns also should be 5. The next thing, number of rows. These are rows. The number of rows should be equal to the number of rails. This is the number of our rail, or our rail size is 2, and the number of our rows should be also 2. So now let's start encryption let's start the main operation for doing encryption in RAIL FAINCE Cipher. So the first thing that we have to do, we have to write the letters of the plaintext in a zigzag manner in our chart or in our diagram. So the first letter should be written in the first square. H. This is H. H should be written here. H. After that, the second letter should be written in the second column and the second row. Second column and second row square. H A. The third letter should be written in the third column and first row. B. fourth letter should be written in the fourth column and second row. I. The fifth or the last letter should be written in the last column or in the fifth column and first row, like B. So if we replace them, or if we place them like this, the letters like this, so now after that what we should do, we should read them in a row manner. We should read them in a row manner, like that, like this. We have written them in a zigzag manner. This is our zigzag manner, like this. After that, like this, come down and go up. So after that, we have to read them in a row column, like this. Like this, we have to read them. What is the first letter? H. First letter H. After that B. After that B. After that A. After that I. H B B A I. Like this, we have to read it like this in a row manner. So this text, this is called what? This is called cipher text or the encrypted text. This was our plain text. Now we did operation on that, and after that we get back like we get our cipher text like this, HBBAI. Thank you for watching.